This is my Poco phone and it has a problem with its front speaker. The sound is cracking. The bottom speaker is working good, but this top speaker is not working at all. So today in this video guys, we're going to fix it. So let's open the phone and fix it. So first let's turn off the phone. Phone is turned off and here you guys can see we have two screws here and we need this T4 screwdriver to open these two screws. These screws are so tiny. Also you need to eject the SIM tray. So here is the SIM tray ejector and the phone is turned on because we put pressure on this power button. Next we're going to use this kind of pry tools to open the back cover of the phone, and we can use the bottom part. Do it carefully. Okay. Take your time to open the back cover, because if you do anything wrong, you can break something. So back cover is removed. Just carefully remove the back cover because the fingerprint sensor is this is the ribbon for connecting the fingerprint sensor. Now you need to open couple of screws. And carefully place all of these screws inside this foam. So later we can find from where we remove all of these screws. So you see all of these strips, those are antennas, and now we need to remove this plastic cover to get the access of the logic board. So this is a graphene tape and we need to peel it off. And this is the battery. First we disconnect the battery. Okay, battery disconnected. Okay, now we can remove the battery. Only two screws I think is holding this board. Display connector, power button. Guys, while disconnecting the antenna, I just peeled off this antenna connector. Now guys, I need to desolder this antenna connector, else we will not get any network. So guys, here is the speaker. The speaker is glued on this frame, so if you put a little bit heat, it will be much easier to remove the speaker. You can remove this thing. And guys, here is my replacement speaker. Okay, this is for Xiaomi Poco phone. So we need to place the speaker here. Make sure you remove all of this glue. We're going to use this B7010 dual-sided tape to fix the brand new speaker. So the speaker is placed. Now put the logic board back in. Also join the antenna cable. I soldered it on the board because I accidentally peeled the connector. I also need to replace the battery, so I bought a brand new battery and hope this battery works well. Connect the battery with the logic board, connect the charging port connector, and done. Let's put the back cover. Put the SIM back in. Power on the phone. It's powering on. Let's check the front speaker.
Continue in English. Press 2. हिंदी में दबाएं। ओडियारे जारी रखिबा पाई অসমীয়াৰ বাবে 5 ডায়াল কৰক। গুজৰাটী মাতে 6 ਦਬਾਵੋ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਰੀ ਰੱਖਣ ਲਈ 7 ਨੱਪੋ।
So guys, the front speaker is working properly. Let's play some music. So guys, as you heard, the speaker is working great. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys like it, make sure to subscribe for this video, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.